What's up, guys? Making these heavy duty tie rods today for the Jeep WJ, and it has an odd 24 by 1.5 tap on these tie rod ends, and in my book it didn't list 24 1.5, and I went across the street to the machine shop, talked to the experts over there, and the old timer over there pointed something out kind of neat. If you take the tap size, let's go here, an M20, and then the pitch, you just subtract the 1.5 from the 20 and you get the drill diameter, 18.5, and it works everywhere. If you got an M14 by 2, subtract 2 from 14, use a 12mm drill all the way down to the smallest one. An M1 with a 0.25 pitch, you get a 0.75 drill. Pretty easy way to figure out what size drill to use. Peace out, guys.